Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install Blender on Windows 11. It's quite easy. Very first thing you need to do is to just go and open your browser, and here in the search bar we need to type Blender, download, and just hit enter. You will see a couple of sites, but the one where we need to click is this one, which is www.blender.org. This is their official site, so just click on that. Then on the screen we need to click on download Blender option. Click on download Blender, and yeah, you can see that the downloading of Blender setup file has started, and this is gonna take a while because this is about 344 MB. So wait for a couple of minutes here. Once the downloading is done, you can just close the browser and just navigate to the location where you have downloaded that file. So it would be here in my case in the download folder. So just right here we need to double click on the file. Now you can also close the file explorer. Here just click on next, choose the location where you wanna install this. I'm just gonna go ahead with the default one. Click on next, click on install. If you see the Windows security pop-up like this, then you just need to click on yes. Now at this point the Blender has successfully installed. Here you just need to click on finish, and yeah, if you wanna launch it, just in the search bar we need to type Blender and just click on this, and yeah, you can see that we have successfully installed Blender on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.